How to fulfill a promotion campaign. When you get a new campaign for a promotion, you'll see a yellow icon on your account. Also, you will get a notification in your email and on Telegram. If you have subscribed to Telega.io, Telegram bot at Telega_advance_bot. Clicking the icon allows you to see the details of the ad campaign. First, check the ad link and text. If the topic of an ad campaign suits you, click Take into Work. You can use an online chat to clarify the details of the campaign. When an advertiser answers your question, you get a notification in the system. The next step, download image and copy text. Also, check the comment section. Often, advertisers write their formatting post wishes. Publish the post to the channel. You can do it on the date specified in the order at any time that's convenient for you if the date is not specified. Copy the post link. Add the post link to the form Send for verification. Within 24 hours, the advertiser will either approve the fulfillment of the advertising campaign or send it for revision. If the advertiser approves the fulfillment, you receive a cash reward in your balance. You can see all the completed campaigns in the My Channels section. If you have any questions, write the support Telegram bot at Telega_ADV_bot.